Hey, this is a real handy little tool that I use when I can find it. Don't get lost or taken for somebody else's convenience. This is what I call a voltage tick, but at Harbor Freight, which is a number of other places, you can get it at pretty much a lot of hardware places. But they call it a non-contact AC voltage tester. So you can detect AC voltage without touching the wires. Now, if you want to see something's hot, before you even work on an outlet, you can go up to it. I think the breaker's off. Wait, let's see. See this button right here? See right here is no voltage. But now when I plug it in, well, this thing's a brand new outlet. There we go. Now, pushing this button. It also helped me find shorts sometimes in cords. Okay, if I unplug it. So I can go up to a switch, a plug, and I can tell if this is hot. And that's a pretty handy little tool. It doesn't cost much at all, like $5 or $6 at Harbor Freight. And it's a pretty neat little tool. And so it says it's rated up to 600 volts. Well, you better not be around 600 volts with this. This will go off before you even get a foot within that. But it also blinks a little bit when it's not so light out. So it kind of gives you when it's darker inside of a house or in a dark